What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. Today we're going to try and make a dark METROBOOMIN type of beat, something for his new album Heroes and Villains. One of my favorite songs is Niagara Falls, super fire in my opinion. But let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. So what I'm doing here is just adding some extra notes on top of the chords and building like a little counter melody. So right here at the end of the chord progression, I want like a little variation so that way it's not like too boring. I'm just building a counter melody right here. Right here I'm copying over the whole counter melody and the pattern, and then I'm hitting Command A to make an arpeggiator from it as a counter melody. Just adding some effects right here just to like spice it up a little bit more, make it more unique sounding, more interesting. Otherwise it's like too dry. So in this next part, I'm going to make the pattern from the 808 unique and then make like a switch up in the 808 pattern for the verse. So right here in this part of the video, I'm building a beat switch in some type of way with like some different sounds and a different 808 pattern. There were like a lot of beat switches in Heroes and Villains for METROBOOMIN, so I thought why not make a little switch up. It's not so much different, but it definitely has like a different pace and feeling to it. Damn, bro, I was like really in the beat. Sorry for not talking, but we got a beat switch right here and we got the regular beat right here, just like with some different drums over here, just to like switch it up. Let's just take a listen to it. So we got the intro right here, something really like Mystique. We can hear like Morgan Freeman talking here type of shit. Then we got maybe 21 doing some ad-libs, or maybe Don Toliver, even Travis Scott, bro. Ooh, what is on that shit? Yeah. Now we got 21 Savage just spitting some shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Running around town, chains on my neck, on a hit. That bitch tryna hit. I get on the blunt, then we got split. Shit. I love the bounce here. The bounce is crazy. Then the breakdown, the bridge. As people be like, oh, what is this? What is this? Then the other pack come in. Sheesh. Oof. Let's get it. Ha. That's crazy. Damn. Fucking fire. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you want to check out and download the skin or the drums that I'm using in this video, make sure to check out the link in the description. This tutorial showed you how to make like a dark METROBOOMIN type beat for heroes and villains, all from scratch inside of FL Studio. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.